Finally came in. This is the brand new Higround keyboard, the Summit version, which I paid my own money for, by the way. I'm so stoked to unbox this. Let's do an unboxing and just do a first look. Just go ahead and check it out. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, yo. This is actually so freaking cool. Look, I'm not gonna lie, like, I never watched a Gundam series, but I got this keyboard because I was like, I need to know what the Summit keyboard is all about. Like, I wanted to know, why is this thing $300 something when their entry level keyboard is only like 145? So, but wow, the packaging on this is so sick. Wait a minute, dude, it even has, hang on, right here, it even has like this little pull tab for it. Dude, that is so sick. Then you got the kind of like logo right there, the Higround. Dude, this artwork is absolutely beautiful on top. Like, I love that. This thing, in the box, it's extremely heavy, so I got some pretty high hopes that this thing's gonna be a tank. Then on the back, kind of shows you what's gonna come inside of it. So it looks like with this, they included a USB Type-C cable. Doesn't look like it's braided or anything like that. Keycap puller. I don't know what that thing is. A tool? It looks like it's a tool. Oh, it's a multi-tool. So it's a keyboard multi-tool, and then also it comes with the switch puller as well. Let's just go and dive in. I'm so excited to open this thing, dude. Let's go. All right, here we go. Ready? Oh my gosh. Okay. They basically have this like black foam going over it, which is insane, dude. This is like, this honestly is, sorry, I know I'm like stopping multiple times, but like, this is exactly what I was looking for. Like, I wanted a freaking experience when I was unboxing this thing. This literally just feels like it's premium. Oh my gosh. Better up here, so we have a nice little card, which, this is like thick card stock. Like, this is something you send to someone when you want to impress them. Which, by the way, I ordered this on my own. I did not tell them I was ordering this. I paid my own money for this thing. So yeah, learn more about your keyboard. So I actually want to check that out in a second. Let's, you know what? Okay, that's actually kind of sick. So on my phone, it basically has a quick start guide. So it tells you what it comes with, the different keyboard shortcuts and stuff too, the different lighting effects that it comes with as well, the multimedia function keys. So that's actually kind of sick that it comes with like a digital quick start guide, and it literally even has a picture of your keyboard on there. No, actually, never mind. No, that's just the, all right, that's the standard Summit. But either way, that's still pretty sick. I kind of like how they did that. That's pretty neat. Got a USB cable in here, which I will not be using this. This is actually kind of dope. I like, don't think they've ever done this for another keyboard, but this is literally an orange tie and it says Higround on it. So when you're talking about attention to detail and what you're paying for, that's probably part of it. Pretty sick. I like that. I'm personally a sucker for branding. Like, I love when branding is on point and things like that. Like, that's why I like Apple a lot. That's why I like Disney, because it's very on point about what it does. Higround, 100 Thieves, like everything just seems like it's done for on purpose. Like, there's a reason why they do it. So orange switch puller, which this is actually like a nice premium one. So the one that they give you, let me find it. This is the one right here that they give you, this guy right here. So there's just this tiny metal piece. And then this is the switch puller they give you with the Summit keyboard. So this is what you get with their entry level keyboard, and this is what you get with their premium keyboard. Kind of a sick difference. This is the keycap puller, as well as the multi-tool. I'm assuming this is for the back plate, I'm not sure. Oh, so it's got two heads, so it's got a screwdriver on it, and then it's also got a Allen on the other side, it looks like. A small Allen, so that's pretty sick. And then also, yeah, it's got one of the twisty ends too. So in case you're like screwing something, you can just twist this in the butt of it when you're holding it down. Doesn't actually, like, it twists. So now, let's go ahead. I'm so afraid to touch this thing. Let's check out the keyboard. Okay, that's a pretty hefty keyboard. I think, oh dude, I wish I might have a way to measure this, the weigh it, but I think this is probably heavier than my custom keyboard that I have, which this thing is nuts. All right, so in here you also get two stickers. So of course, if you guys haven't seen their other ones, they actually give you two stickers, or they give you two stickers or a sticker in that one. So let's go ahead and check this out. Dude. That's it, like, that's an aluminum frame. That backplating, dude, look at that backplating. That thing is gorgeous. God, this thing looks beautiful. So yeah, it looks like it's Allen is right there. Dude, this is a gorgeous looking keyboard. Like, I love this thing. Now I want to figure out what it types like, but first, you know what? I lied. I think I might use this. One sec. Even comes with capped ends. So again, kind of a premium thing. You don't normally see that. You get capped ends, but let me see. Okay. Dude, that is so cool. And wait, the sides? Yes, oh my God. So you don't really see it on the side of it, but you do see like a little bit of glow right there on the edges, which that looks dope. Oh my God, that looks so good. There you go, you can kind of see it in the video. You can kind of see like that little piece right there that glows. That I think is such a sick detail right there. That's so neat. Something they haven't done on their other boards, so this is definitely new to it. So let's go ahead and give it a good old typing test. And to do that, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this down a little bit. All right, that is pretty sick. It's a very different sound, I would say, than what you get from their Basecamp. So let me go grab that and just plug that in real quick so you guys can hear what that sounds like. Which, by the way, let's check out the form factor too. There is a difference in form factor. Like the foot of it is definitely a little bit larger, not by a lot, but yeah, it's definitely different. So let's go ahead and let's hear what this sounds like. So I feel like there is like a clack, I think. Like, I don't know if I'm actually saying it correctly, but like a clack at the bottom of this. This is, I would say this is like more thocky, and maybe I'm explaining it wrong or whatever, but I feel like this is much more of a silent typing experience than this. And I wonder if it's the aluminum frame, but I do feel like there's a resonance that's a little bit different on this one versus this one, which I feel like this one has better dampening in it, but I'm not sure. I could be explaining it wrong, but either way, that's basically, so quick little overview of what I think is different with this. This has more of a clack kind of sound when you're typing on it, and this has more of a thock, like it's almost like a just thock. But I do feel like there's a little bit of a different resonance because of the casing that they use on this one, because it's metal, right? So I think it resonates differently with this keyboard than it does with this being the hard plastic that they have. But either way, dude, this is sick. Like, I'm just like in awe shock of this thing and how cool it is. So, all right, so first glance, what do I think? This keyboard is crazy. Like, it's extremely heavy. I mean, even I think compared to, I have the Tofu 65 with the acrylic board. Oh yeah, wow, okay, yep. All right, there's a difference. Okay, so microphone back to the regular position. At a glance, like this thing is crazy. Like I'm absolutely blown away by it. This thing is extremely heavy. If you guys don't know, this is the Tofu 65 acrylic board, and it is pretty heavy. Like I got a big brass plate in the back of it to add some weight to it. There's no sound dampening or anything in this guy, but this like feels like a light keyboard compared to this, because this has an aluminum frame and it's got that brass medallion in the back that definitely adds some weight to it. So this thing feels extremely heavy and very durable. Like I feel like I could probably, if someone broke into my house, I could use this as a home defense weapon. It's basically what I'm trying to tell you. So good or bad, I don't know if you like that or not, a heavy keyboard, but yeah, this is crazy. The sound signature is totally different than this, which is, I mean, to be expected, but yeah, I feel like I gotta figure it out because I kind of like the clack of this. And again, that's just personal preference, but this has like a nice, deeper, like it has like a thock to it. Like it's very quiet compared to this. So I'm gonna try this out for a little bit. I just wanna do like a unboxing and a first glance kind of deal. So this is basically the 2 keyboards. I'm gonna try this out, see how it is, give it a review on its own, compare the 2 and really see is it worth the difference or not. So I'm gonna try this out for a couple weeks with gaming, scripting and that kind of stuff and see how much I really like it or if I do enjoy it. So hope you guys liked the video. If you guys have any questions about it, please let me know in the comment section below. Again, no, they did not send this keyboard to me. I did get the Basecamp keyboard sent to me for free, but I ended up buying this. With my own money. And yeah, so, and again, they're not gonna see the reviews. They're not gonna be able to have a say in what I am saying about this keyboard. But yeah, this is, wow. Like, wow, this is crazy. I'm really excited to try this out and see what it's like. So subscribe. I spent $300. I spent a lot of money on this to hopefully get you guys an answer if this is worth it or not. But thank you guys for watching. Hit me with that thumbs up if you guys like this video. It really helps me out. If you guys like tech reviews and streaming advice and stuff like that, go ahead and give me a subscription. That sounded weird. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I really would appreciate it. And look forward to future videos on these 2 keyboards. So thank you so much and have an awesome day. Till the next one.